Good afternoon, this is Andrew from Ethereal Alchemy, and in this video today I'd like to share a little bit more about the upcoming Mary Magdalene and the Power of Transference workshop, which is being held Sunday week, Sunday the 25th of July on the southern end of the Gold Coast. And yeah, I've just been working with and tuning into Mary Magdalene's energies today and just tuning into the content of this workshop. So I'd like to share a few little key summaries of what we'll be working with. And Mary Magdalene really holds such incredible power. She holds this power of the goddess and really helps to teach us how to tap into the feminine principle, and also to work with our spiritual and intuitive and psychic powers. So this workshop is really a deep dive into really embracing more of those inner mysteries, and really also fundamentally helping you to heal and overcome potentially fear or doubt around owning and utilizing your spiritual gifts and talents more. You know, some of us have been through circumstances, even past lifetimes, where we've been made wrong potentially, or persecuted for utilizing those gifts. So for some of us in this lifetime, we often fear to really open up to the inner realms, to open up to those psychic abilities. And another thing I'd really love to share about this workshop is that even though we're working with the goddess and the feminine principle, this workshop is definitely open to men and also women. I find that I do work with a lot of women. I guess women are just more open and aware of like those spiritual and healing abilities. But really, this is also a time for the men to really start embracing and working with these energies as well, which creates such in-depth healing, and I feel more understanding and ability to, you know, move forward in life with more ease and grace when you're tapped into that, into the spiritual dimensions, where you can get so much knowledge and wisdom and deeper understanding of your life's journey and where you're going. So yeah, Mary Magdalene, I feel in particular, she's also helping, you know, those who might be coming to this workshop, helping to clear really deep fears. For some of you, maybe it's trauma that's been experienced in this lifetime or even in past lifetimes. She really holds this space of helping us to heal on such a deep level, to heal our wounds, to heal that inner darkness, so that we can actually embrace more of our inner power, our inner assuredness, so that we can really, you know, step out more into the world and, you know, just be who we're meant to be. So I find, you know, she has such unshakable faith, and this is what she will be helping to impart for those who attend. This beautiful deepening of your faith and belief that you're supported, which you absolutely are. But also she brings through this amazing ability to transform lower energies, to transform the darkness into the light. And this is her key phrase, which I often hear her say to me: you must embrace the darkness in order to access the light. We must be able to go through the depths of our own pain and suffering and our own inner demons, to be able to face them, so that we can acknowledge and heal them in order to reach the light. And this is a very important concept which I'll be teaching in the one-day workshop. This power of transference is, we have to go into the darkness to be reborn into the light. We must go into that darkness to be reborn into the light. And most people fear this process, or we avoid it as much as possible. We don't like to feel uncomfortable or you know, feel that the unknown, going into the unknown. But often that's where our greatest power lies, and this is what will be imparted through this one-day workshop is how to utilize this power of transference, this what we call a death rebirth process, in order to continually rejuvenate your life, in order to continually move forward, to co-create and to keep expanding into higher and higher frequencies, so that you can embody more light, you can embody more love, more spiritual empowerment and purpose and beautiful flow of energy in your life. So I'm really excited to be sharing this workshop. It's the first time that I've facilitated this particular one. So if you're feeling the call and feeling that in your heart, just have a look at the link below and follow the details. And yeah, I look forward to welcoming you Sunday week on the 25th of July. Okay, many blessings. Thank you.